Presenting guided mind maps. A process-driven approach to convert your evolutionary ideas into revolutionary businesses. The guided mind maps provide right guidance to the entrepreneurs across the startup value chain. Each mind map is connected to the multiple stakeholders of the global innovation ecosystem to enable the entrepreneurs to connect, collaborate and co-create with larger organizations. The guided mind maps help in identifying global needs of the companies across all sectors, creating a good product market fit, reducing product development time, reducing go-to-market time and attracting investments from most innovative companies of the world. Guided mind maps are developed by a diverse team of world-class innovation experts, experienced startup mentors, technology commercialization experts, marketing professionals and finance professionals in a very simple manner and user-friendly interface. This reduces great amount of training time by institute's faculty so that they can focus more on mentorship. Simply click the main ideas on the mind maps to expand with your ideas on the entire startup journey. There are different mind map templates for each phase of a startup journey and covers areas like problem resolution, need identification, designing innovative products, technology applications, conducting competition analysis, developing impactful business models, crafting powerful go-to-market strategies and raising funds from thousands of corporate accelerators and corporate venture companies. Today, when there is a great need to democratize the entrepreneurship movement, the institutions face the big challenges. These challenges are absence of quality faculty, expensive startup mentors and non-availability of industry experts, which result in failure of many startups. Guided mind maps help in saving lot of time, money and efforts in developing the innovation culture and supercharging the startup ecosystem. They help institutes in developing breakthrough innovations and startup projects with the industry at scale and speed. Imagine the amazing results when thousands of students of an institute work on exciting innovation and startup projects with the power of guided mind maps. Empower your faculty and students with guided mind maps to develop new-age innovation skills, ideation skills, design thinking, product conceptualization, commercialization, technology applications, collaboration and entrepreneurship to fail-proof the startup journey. Guided mind maps will not only help the institutions in developing impactful startup projects, they also help in developing future-ready skills in the students for quality jobs, higher compensation, and most rewarding career opportunities in world's leading organizations. The biggest advantage of these guided mind maps is their linkages with thousands of corporate accelerators across all the industry sectors. These corporate accelerators provide the budding entrepreneurs with their needs, mentorship support, prototyping support, technology platforms, large customer base and funding for faster scale-up of startups. These corporate accelerators provide the best platform to the budding entrepreneurs for identifying emerging business opportunities, reducing market research time and find out their next breakthrough business idea. Innovation has become an external game, and this is where the digital incubators stay miles ahead of the physical incubators, who lack in connectivity, collaboration and co-creation with the global industry. Open innovation is the new mantra for success. Successful innovations and startups not only need a great product or solution, they also need to be supported with great business models, in the absence of which they fail. The business model mind map guides the students in creating a good value creation model, a powerful revenue generation model and impactful operating model for the success and growth of their startups. This is especially helpful to the engineering students who lack the commercialization skills, in the absence of which many of their brilliant innovations do not see the light of the day. Startups face the great challenges in creating impactful go-to-market strategies. This stage is the make or break situation for any startup, and 90% of the startups fail in GTM. The go-to-market template helps startups in formulating the marketing campaign, connecting with strategic marketing chains, developing strategic channels, forming strategic marketing partnerships with large companies, using latest marketing technologies and adoption of innovative marketing strategies for success in fiercely competitive markets. Guided mind maps provide the biggest advantages to the startups for resolving their funding challenges. The fundraising mind map template is linked to all the corporate venture companies across diverse sectors, who are scouting for the innovative startups. These corporate venture companies have earmarked millions of dollars for investing in the equity of the innovative startups. These companies are far better than the traditional venture capital companies who only invest when they see the high growth journey of startups. The corporate venture companies provide funding in the early stages, growth stages and expansion stages of the startups. They also invest in the unproven early stage ideas of startups which have large potential to scale. Many of these corporate venture companies even invest in the POCs and prototypes, thus opening myriads of new opportunities for upcoming startups.